RED Plus. It is a proven United Nations initiative created to reducing emission from deforestation and forest degradation. And it also aims at the sustainable management of forest, conservation and enhancement of the forest carbon stocks in the developing countries to mitigate the problems of climate change. Under the umbrella of ICFRE, Tropical Forest Research Institute, Jabalpur, was conducted 2 days training program on capacity buildings of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra State Forest Department for developing state Red Place action plan.
A total of 23 IFS and other forest officials from Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, including 4 additional PCCF and 4 CCFs, participated in the training program. The event initiated with the lighting of lamp by the honorable dignitaries of the two states and head of divisions of the institute. Dr. G. Rajeshwar Rao, Director TFRI, welcomed the senior officers Sri Amitabh Agnihotri, Additional PCCF and Director SFRI, Sri K. Raman, Additional PCCF, Green India Mission, Shri Bibhesh Kumar Thakur, Additional PCCF, HRD Bhopal, Shri M. Srinivas Rao, Maharashtra Bamboo Development Board, and other participants of the training and briefed them about their importance in participating for developing successful Red Plus action plans of their respective states.
In fact, it is an immense pleasure to me and with my staff, my colleagues, to invite you all senior officers of Forest Department of both Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. It's really very honor for us. And I need not tell you what is written because you know better than us because you are practical foresters.
Dr. Avinash Jain, Head Forest Ecology and Climate Change Division, TFRI, welcomed the eminent dignitaries and briefed about the agenda of the training program.
This 2 days capacity building program is fully interactive type. The participants will be grouped into 3 groups. First group will identify, prioritize the problems and develop solution tree for drivers of deforestation in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Second group will identify, prioritize the problems and develop solution tree for drivers of forest degradation in 2 states. And the third group will perform the similar task for the barriers for carbon enhancement. Finally, problem and solution trees will be developed, which will be verified and finalized by the participants only. The program will be concluded by identifying the intervention packages for solution trees and group discussion.
Respected dignitaries, Shri Anurag Bharadwaj, Director International Cooperation ICFRE Dehradun, Shri Abhay Kumar Patil, PCCF and HOF Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shailesh Temburnikar, PCCF and CEO Maharashtra, Shri VRS Rawat, Red Plus Negotiator, India, Retired Scientist ICFRE, Dr. RS Rawat, Scientist BCC ICFRE Dehradun, Shri Nabeen Bhattarai, Red Plus Associate ICIMOD Kathmandu, Nepal, and Dr. Rajesh Sharma, Scientist and ADG BCC ICFRE Dehradun, also addressed the gathering. The training aimed to build capacity of the officers from Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra to develop their respective states' Red Plus action plans. Various activities and exercises were conducted with the participation of these 23 IFS and other forest officials to identify the drivers of deforestation, forest degradation, and barriers for carbon enhancement. During the exercise, the main driver for deforestation was identified as encroachment, whereas that for forest degradation was grazing. Trees outside forests and plantations and soil and moisture conservation works were identified as the major barriers for carbon enhancement. After thorough brainstorming, the officers developed problem tree so as to know the root cause for the above drivers and barriers to finally find the solution and develop intervention packages. The outcomes of the training program will be used to develop State RED Plus action plans of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra to reduce emissions from deforestation and forest degradation while increasing the carbon stock of the forest to mitigate the impact of climate change.
The respected trainees shared their feedback on training program.
In fact, I was tempted to stay back at Bhopal and attend this training workshop in online mode only. But the limitation transpired in the framework of the workshop is slightly different. And coming and participating here would make a difference. So I think it has really made a difference. And I made the right decision of coming here and participating with all the participants here. It's a very
regarding this training program. I was very much new to this, and when the concept came, maybe that time I was on deputation in Bangalore. So there was a workshop organized in KAP, also done the Forest Department.
The CDM, and now we have Red Plus. So gold mines, new bottoms coming, and hopefully we will find our way through. And it has been a remarkable experience, learning experience working with all of you. So thank you, Dr. Ram, and thank you very much.
The event was well covered in the print, electronic, and social media platforms.
The formal vote of thanks was delivered by Shri M. Rajkumar, Scientist, Forest Ecology and Climate Change Division. Further, we are hopeful this training has enlightened the attendees and it will help to strengthen their action plan in this direction. Thank you.